Most people look at their past struggles as proof they are weak. But the truth is, those same struggles can become your greatest source of motivation if you learn how to reframe them. One simple way to practice this is by using ChatGPT to flip a past challenge into a strength you carry forward. Let me show you how. I just typed this into ChatGPT. Rewrite this past challenge as a strength that shaped who I am today. Pause the video if you want to copy the prompt. What I like is that ChatGPT takes something you once felt ashamed of and reframes it as a source of resilience, growth, and power. Reading it back helps you see your story differently and even use it as fuel to move forward. That is powerful, but it's only the beginning. Inside the Confidence Challenge, step 3 is all about turning your mess into your message, transforming your struggles into a mission that drives you instead of holds you back. And to make it practical, you will also get a customized business plan built around your goals and proven email and ad templates so you can start sharing your story with clarity and confidence. It's only $7 to join, designed for beginners, and you can start today. Click the link below to begin turning your struggles into confidence that fuels your future.